How to change your name on Messenger. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can change your name on Messenger, so make sure to watch the video till the end. To change your name on the Messenger app, open up the Messenger app. You have to change the name of your Facebook account as a whole. So tap on the three lines option from the top left, tap on the gear icon that you can find here, then simply go to the Account Center tab. From Account Center, you will see this sort of information. So let the page load up successfully first of all over here. After it's loaded up, simply go to your personal details. Now under personal details, you will see a couple of options. So there, if you find the option to change the name, that's perfectly fine. If not, come back to the profiles tab over here. Then when you come to the profiles tab, select your Facebook account. And then from there, again, you have to simply select the Facebook account itself and then just go to the name section to be able to change your Messenger or your Facebook account's name. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.